Hi, I'm Sean, and this is Quinn. This project was over the hydraulic and cable elevator. The title of our presentation is Rising to the Occasion. We came up with our research question by thinking about what would be best to test an elevator on. We thought either speed or weight, and speed would be harder to measure considering we didn't work on this under the same roof. So we chose weight, which we thought was the more logical decision.
This particular project interested us because doing a science fair project on elevators sounded odd, so we decided to do it.
The hypothesis for this project was that the presupposition of this project is that the scale lift-based hydraulic elevator will hoist more simulated people, stacks of 5 nickels, than a pulley and cable paracord-based equivalent. This will lift more because hydraulic elevator systems are used a lot to lift heavy cars. Cable elevator is only a pulley system where it doubles each time there's a circle.
Some of our goals for this project were to end up in the regional tournament. So far, we haven't heard of any research that's similar to ours.
Since COVID hit, we had to change our methodology a little. There are 2 parts of the project that we decided to build on half each and conduct our experiments separately.
One of the unanticipated issues we hit was the hydraulic elevator broke partially and we had to repair it because at this point the experiment hadn't finished yet.
Then once we had our results, we put them together in a table and told each other our observations, results, and etc.
We have a graph on the board.
That represents what it looks like. This is the hydraulic elevator, and this is the cable elevator, so obviously our results were not what our hypothesis was expected.
One of our variables we changed was that the nickel material was changed in 1967. So we couldn't use the ones that came before that.
And we did not use them for our project. A variable after that was weight distribution. We couldn't have the projects leaning too much to one side and then breaking again, so we spread the weight evenly among the platform and the box.
We could conclude that the hydraulic elevator could lift only 24 nickels and the cable elevator pulled 77.
The cable elevator lifted 53 more nickels than the hydraulic elevator, and the results do not support the hypothesis. In fact, they're the complete opposite of what was originally thought when we were writing it. The important thing that we learned was that the cable elevator lifted almost 3 times the hydraulic elevator lifted, and what we would have done differently would be to make the hydraulic elevator tube circle to double what it could lift.
Controlling our variables did make a difference. If we were able to continue without controlling them, I'm sure that the platform on our box would have fallen over or broken. Also, if we didn't control the different materials to make the nickels, it would have skewed the results.
All right, and thank you for your time.
You said it.